Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the iPhone off and removing the two pentalobe screws at the lightning port. Next, place a suction cup near the bottom edge and pull gently while prying a tiny gap with a plastic spudger. This prevents bent clips. Once done, hinge the display up from the right side like a book, but don't detach it. 3 flex cables still connect. Make sure to keep screws and small parts separated by location so reassembly is straightforward and fast. With the display opened, remove the metal bracket covering the display connectors and unscrew it methodically. Then disconnect the 3 display flex cables so the screen is fully free. Once the screen is loose, remove the battery connector bracket screws and disconnect the battery to avoid shorts while you work. If replacing the screen, transfer the front camera, earpiece, and sensor assemblies to the new panel. Heat adhesive slightly, lift components with a spudger, and align them precisely on the replacement before securing. To finish, reconnect the display flex cables in the reverse order and reinstall the metal bracket to secure them. Then reconnect the battery and replace its bracket. Once all connectors are seated, lower the display from the top edge and press the clips closed evenly to avoid gaps. Power on and test touch, Face ID, camera, and sensors before final screws. If something fails, immediately power off, reseat the suspect connectors, check for torn flex cables, and ensure the battery has adequate charge before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.